in Subang KTM station. Now we are heading to Pelabuhan Klang. Okay, we arrived Pelabuhan Klang, or we call Pelabuhan Klang. Okay, for your info, this is the KTM last station. So see, station Klang, and that one is Pelabuhan Klang. We're going to take the ferry to Pulau Ketam. This is the Pelabuhan Klang station inside. You come to this counter if you like to take the double level ferry. So this is the timetable. The time come and come back. Come and go back, sorry. The kids now are very excited. They are wondering where to take the boat. Ago I was with friend. We are cycling to Pulau Ketam. And this trip I bring my family along because now it's a school holiday. So to let them to enjoy some holiday. And they're also excited because it's the first time for them to take boat. New boat, not say very new lah. Actually, it's better than the previous one. The previous boat is just a single level. This one got two level. This one got open one, so you can see all the view. This is the one I mentioned is the old boat. Okay, to take this ferry is how much? Actually, for adult is 18 ringgit and kid is 10 ringgit. Arrived at this jetty called Pulau Ketam. We're heading to have a walk, and also maybe we visit some temple. A bicycle here, a normal bicycle or the battery type. Battery one per hour is 20 ringgit, and for bicycle you have to contact this number to get more information. from the jetty. Now we are moving in. There's a restaurant. There's an electrical bicycle. They still got more shop renting bicycle or motorbike. There's a hotel. Some shop. This is Pulau Ketam Bomba Station. This is the icon. As long as you see the yellow building, it's the Bomba Station. If you want to visit fish farm, here they can bring you to see the fish farm or go for fishing. This another shop will rent bicycle or motorbike. At least here got show the rate. Per hour is 20, 3 hours is 50, 1 whole day is 100. Pulau Ketam Police Station. Jalan Besar Pekan. You see there's a market and there's a restaurant and there's a gate, and this is the police station. Here the market, they sell all the dry seafood. There are many things here. They got all kind of food. Fried chicken, ice cream, chendol, ABC ice cream, a lot. There's a temple. One of the coffee shop is a wooden house, very classic wooden house. There's a bridge. Here's the river. for Muslim friend, actually you all also can come to Pulau Ketam. This is not only a Chinese village here. There's also Muslim people. There's a temple, and like this food store. This one is Malay food, so it's a Muslim food. So for Muslim friends also can come here.
Giá chỉ đeo.
Cái tàu lý.
Giá chỉ đeo.
Tàu lý hoa xuân.
Giá chỉ đeo.
Hoa xuân câu sa.
Giá chỉ đeo.
Giá chỉ đeo.
泰国嘟嘟了。嘟嘟要给钱了。All the seafood pricing is based on the market price. Prawn per kilo is 42. Crab market price. Prawn got 42 and 48 ringgit. Curry fish 34 ringgit. Fish from 65 ringgit per kilo. There's some fish ball. Clam is on 28 ringgit per kilo. To be honest, the price here is slightly expensive. The food is so-so only. So if you don't mind, you can order any seafood you want. But the price is a bit high compared to in the KL town. Okay, after having lunch, now we're heading back now. We're going back to the ferry. Now it's afternoon, about almost 1 o'clock. So it's quite hot now. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share and like. Thank you very much.
Yeah.